Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am filming another video for you guys. Well, like I said, you'll see me in the same shirt sitting in the same spot in another video. They're not going to go up the same day, but I just like to film as much as I can for you guys so that I can have them, backed up. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my May 2020 Boxycharm Premium. And let me just start by saying, I was not happy with the box. I don't know what the deal is with Boxycharm lately. I understand that there's a lot of bigger issues in the world going on, but I do feel as a consumer that when you are paying for products, it's so funny. I mean, you could see how huge this box is, and everything's just sliding around. It's barely even any product. I mean, I don't know what the deal is with Boxycharm. So anyways, you open it up. Good thing is it has padding, okay? No card. Everything's just sliding around. There's only one item that's actually, decent size in this, and everything else is very tiny. So why they wasted this big old box on this, I don't know. But anyways, we're just going to quickly get into it. I've been enjoying doing like try-ons and stuff, but honestly, I can't try on a lot of this because I'm not keeping it, so we're just going to go ahead and share what we got. Excuse me. So I'll go ahead and share the first thing. It's this Natural Matte Two-Faced palette, and this is the eye palette. I do have the face palette as well. I can't tell you how much it was because I did not get a card, but I will try to put that all in the description down below. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. Packaging, I will be keeping this. And my mirror is pretty dirty. There's no covering over it at all. You know how palettes come with that plastic stuff. Mine did not have it. I don't know if anybody else had theirs. And my mirror looks like that. Very, very dirty. And sometimes I almost feel like we're just getting like the scrap end of stuff, I'm thankful for it, but I feel like, with Boxycharm, that we are, like I was saying earlier, we do pay for it. And I feel as though we shouldn't complain so much because, for instance, if I'm keeping this one palette, which is probably 40-something bucks, it was worth the box. Okay, I get that. But Boxycharm is supposed to be a subscription service that gives you high-end, 5 to 6 high-end items, but at a lower cost because they're buying it in bulk quantity. So therefore it's cheaper for them, and so they're making even more money by charging us what they actually charge us. Palette is no longer probably going to be carried at certain locations, like just say Ulta, for instance. So therefore this has to get sent all back because I worked at Ulta, so I know how it works. This gets all sent back to the manufacturer, and then they decide what they're going to do with it. So for all we know, this could have been sent back to Too Faced. Too Faced decided, let me see if Boxycharm wants to buy these and give them to their, subscription people or whatever. And then we get it. These have been on shelves or in back stock for long periods of time. And so that is one reason why we're also getting it discounted. But when you're getting all these items that are just kind of like, then as a consumer, that's where we have the issue, because this is all our hard-earned money. And I have noticed that YouTubers that don't even pay for the box and they get it for review purposes, they get always the best items. They get everything that's being like advertised on Instagram, all those sneak peeks, all the stuff that we as the consumers that actually pay want but don't get. So that's my little rant. So that I will be keeping. The other item I will be keeping is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Balm. Right there. I do like lip balms. I do use them. This one is in, I think I told you, peony right there. And on the bottom it says that it's a sample and it's not for sale, so obviously was samples that was sent by Tarte for us to try. Mine does have a little nick. I don't know if you could see in there. I will clean it with a Q-tip, but I don't know if you guys can see that right in there in the top. That's definitely not something that I want. But like I said, I will clean it. The packaging is really, really cute. So this I will be keeping. The item I will be keeping is the Milk Makeup, because I never tried anything from them. Flare Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. And I saw Teresa from Teresa Ann 83. She did her unboxing. She got this as well. And she has dry skin like me, but she was saying that this is very, very oily and she didn't like it on her cheeks. So I'm going to give it a try on my cheeks and see if I like it, because, oh, I just damaged it. That's great. I just made a little nick trying to get that lid off right there. So, I guess I'll try to put some on my lips. It smells nice. And I seen Nona too from My So-Called Life 1977. She was saying that this is not a full size, so the fact that they put this little guy, and you can see, I'll show you guys, it's not even a ton of product. Let me turn it around. Do you see that? The product stops, it's from there, and it stops right there. Which, I mean, okay, it's not a lot of product. I'm going to get through it faster. That's good. But at the same time, that's not a full-size product, and we're paying for full-size products. So, this is the Kat Von D Super 24-Hour Longwear Brow Pomade in medium brown. I'm going to just show you what it looks like. The packaging is nice. My lid's not even on all the way. Make sure that it's not touched, because I am passing this on to a friend. We're actually going to be swapping for this something else. So yeah, I don't need this. I have the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm going to have that for Lord knows how long, probably forever, because it's one of those products that never ends. So I don't need that one. And then they sent a Pure Heals Cantella 90, it looks like some kind of oil or something. I don't even know, to be honest. I'm not going to open that because I'm going to be giving that away as well. It looks like that. It is a 1 fluid ounce. That's going to be given away. And then Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. So you see how big, Nona mentioned this, and I see what she was talking about. Do you see how big this box is? It's really big, okay? And in her video, she talked about the size of the eye cream. So in my mind, I'm thinking it's going to be fairly decent size. Nope. That's all it is, right there. So you have this big old box for this little old item. Right there. Again, I don't know the price of this. It has a seal. Try not to touch it because I probably will not keep this. But the packaging is nice. That is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I got 2 skincare items, 1 brow item, and I got the palette, the lip balm, and then the Milk Makeup. So, I mean, I guess overall for the value of the box, I guess it was worth it. I definitely know that on my questionnaire, I don't have skincare up there. I am so overloaded in skincare right now. It's ridiculous. I had to pass some on. I'm sending some to my mom. I just have way too much skincare that there's no way that myself is going to use all of that skincare in anytime soon. So I kind of want to change my questionnaire and maybe request not to get any more skincare, or very fewer, rarely, because like I said, I have way too much. So overall, I guess it was an okay box. I wouldn't say it was my worst. I wouldn't say that it was my best. It was just okay. Let me know down below what you guys got in your box. If your May box was premium, was a thumbs up, or if it was a thumbs down. If you loved your box or it was just okay. I have truly been loving my Ipsy boxes lately. And I do have my Ipsy Glam bag plus coming up that I will be filming. I did a lot of add-ons, so I'm really excited to share those with you guys. I found some really great items and deals, so be looking out for that. But yeah, guys, this was my May 2020 premium unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope if you did enjoy this video that you would give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget that if you have not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications, so every time I upload a video, you would be notified. And I think that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.